So if we're talking about the private IP address, there are certain addresses in each class of IP address that are reserved for private networks. These addresses are called as private addresses. 11, 12, 13, 14, up to 126. That all are belongs to what? Public address. Got the point, right? In the class B, 128 to 191 is a range. In that, 170 to 16 to 170 to 31. For example, if I'm writing C, 172.28.0.1. Private or public? Private. Because saying what? 172 16 to 170 to 31. It means 16 to 31. Between that, the numbers which are allowed, that all are what? Private address. If I'm writing 172.36.0.1, public, because the last number here I'm using what? 31. So here is 36. So this address belongs to private, public address. Okay. In class C, 192 to 224. In that 192.168.0.0 to 192.168.255.255. Okay. This address belongs to private. Respect all are public. So this private IP address assigned by the administrator for managing our network. Respect all will provide by the ISPs for accessing the internet. Yes? Fine? Just make a note of this. Private IP address.